Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 31 to April 6, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay. Let's see, Scorpio. What's up? Anong energy sa mga Scorpio ngayong week na to? Message in a bottle. So, maaring merong importanteng mensahe na marireceive ka ngayong week na ito. Pwedeng galing sa ibang bansa or from a person na matagal mo nang hindi nakakausap, or tipong wala ka ng balita sa kanya, biglang mangangamusta. Pag ganun, medyo nakakatakot, no? Kasi tipong matagal mo hindi nakakausap, di nagchat-chat, tapos biglang nagchat-chat, kamusta pre, kamusta mare? Ano na yung next nun? Baka uutang, no? You also have poised. So some of you, Scorpio, you are gaining a lot of confidence, no? Maaring may mga changes kang ginagawa sa sarili mo, mentally, physically, emotionally, especially sa sa physical appearance mo, the way you show yourself to the world, the way you express yourself. So very demure. Yan. Or maaring may babaguhin ka sa pananamit mo. 'Di ba? I also have by the book. So this is following instructions. This is following a tradition. So maaring yung iba, meron kayong susundin na hinihingi sa inyo na gawin nyo. Pwedeng ito ay hinihiling or hinihingi sa inyo ng parents ninyo na aralin mo to or dapat ganito ka. Oo, yung iba naman, this can be para sa sarili mo na you are learning, you are studying, marami kang gusto pang i-explore, matutunan. This is also following the rules. So, maaring meron kang pina-follow na sistema, no? Can be sistema sa trabaho, sistema sa business, or any project na gusto mong i-pursue na itong pag-follow mo, pagsunod mo sa sistema na yan, maaring meron to magiging magandang resulta para sa'yo na magbibigay sa'yo ng confidence na, nakaya mo, natapos mo, nagawa mo. Let's see what else, your overall energy. The Knight of Coins. So, this is stability in your finances. Medyo slow and steady yung energy nito financially, but at least hindi mo poproblemahin yung iyong needs, yung resources na meron ka or kailangan mo kasi you have that. Yung iba naman, pwedeng meron kayong may investment, pwedeng investment sa lupa, bahay, or any property or anything na magiging helpful sa'yo financially. Halimbawa, may bibilin ka na machine, tapos yung machine na yan, pwede mong gawing negosyo. Halimbawa, ice cream machine, ganyan, kasi summer na, diba? Oo. So, kumbaga, beneficial sa'yo itong investment mo na yan. And then, your challenge is the Justice card. So, I think may mga decisions ka na pinagpapaliban mo muna. Because you feel na parang hindi ka pa ready. Oo. Syempre, pag hindi pa ready, wag muna. But, I feel like, meron kang kailangang ayusin. Pwedeng papeles, pwedeng issue, pwedeng court cases ngayong week na to. Pwedeng related sa ari-arian or related sa relationship, no? Kung ikaw ay married or nasa point na ikaw ay nagdi-divorce. Oo, parang ganyan. Okay? Your opportunity is the Nine of Cups. This is fulfillment ng iyong mga wishes. Oh my God. So, yung iba sa inyo, merong magandang balita na darating ngayong week na to na maaring matagal mo na tong hinihintay. Pwedeng related to sa isang court case or pwedeng related ito sa ina-applyan mong trabaho or business deal. Ayan, may fulfillment, may celebration. Your blessing is the Three of Wands. Wow, ang ganda. As a blessing, this is expansion. Kung may negosyo ka, mas nag-expand yung business mo, mas marami ka ng customers, mas dinadagdagan mo yung iyong product, services. Kung sa trabaho naman to, pwedeng may promotion. Sa money, career, finances, oh my, the Fool. So, this is new beginning. Yung iba sa inyo, magte-take kayo ng risk. Oo, there is a risk involved here pagdating sa business. Pwedeng bagong negosyo tong i-explore mo, susubukan mo. And then, for your love life, you have the Three of Cups. So, if you're single, maaring hindi ka pa focus sa romantic relationship at ine-enjoy mo muna yung company ng iyong mga kaibigan. Like, going out with friends. Pero kung you are in a relationship at maayos naman yung relasyon ninyo, maaring meron kayong milestone ng person mo na tipong may na-achieve kayo as a couple, no? Let's say, na-achieve nyo yung goal nyo for your finances o yung mga wini-wish ninyo para sa isa't isa. You have Mercury in Pisces in the 12th house. Wow, yung iba sa inyo magkakaroon kayo ng strong downloads ngayong week na to. Mga messages, pwedeng clarification, clarity, no? Sa mga bagay na nagugulahan ka. Lalo na if this is about making a major decision in your life. You have Jupiter in Taurus in the 2nd house. Wow. Yung iba sa inyo i-recognize or mare-recognize kayo sa inyong career, sa mga talents ninyo, kung paano kayo kumita ng pera, whether that is content creation, sa trabaho, business, parang kumbaga meron ka ng stature, ganon. You also have Moon in Cancer in the 4th house. So, some of you will be spending more time with your loved ones, especially kung meron kang mga kaibigan na talagang parang pamilya na rin yung touring mo sa kanila. Pwedeng sila ay magsisleep over or dadalaw sa'yo or vice versa, ikaw yung dadalaw sa friend mo. Intention. What if the only resolution you made was to love yourself more? Oh, love yourself. Yan naman lagi ang number 1 na nagiging priority natin dapat, no? Practicing self-love, self-care. Kasi yan yung nakaka-happy. Okay? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.